Jolonye weche mag chiwo thieth mag nego fuoni mag del motelo ne bero mong'ere kaka anaesthesis sani koro kwayo piny owacho mag kaontis mondo mi oluw chike madwarore ni ute mag thieth mondo bed gi jochiw thieth manego fuoni mag del go mondo mi one ni ngima jatuo orit maber e kinde bero. Kane giloso e kaunti ma Meru e romo mar 10 mar jolony e yore lony ma kamano, jochiw thieth go eko nowacho ni sani jolony mag nego fuoni mag del gin mana 500 kende e pacho ka Meru ni kod 11. Kara kamano, jolony go wacho ni nitiere kauntis ma nyaka sani pok oketo tim dwaro mar duol mochung' ne chudo mar osach jotij piny owacho SRC mar miyogi omenda mambalang' e tich magitiyo. Jagoro mar kaunti ma Meru ma Kiambu Atheru Alo gavana ma kaunti no okwayo jochiw thieth e kaunti no mondo bed mos e kinde ni maten kaunti no pod chano chenro.
That we are talking about. At one time we have incidences of guys even corrupting in our facilities, almost dying. It's just that their colleagues are helping them. It's good we be our brother's keeper. When you find your colleagues amelemewa na hii maneno, they were hooked along the way, kindly hold their hand and help them out. Because sometimes when you start going down that road, you go down out.
The nurse anesthetists, the number has grown. We are proud, we are over 500. And the beauty of it is we are serving on rural areas and especially the northern part of the country. The anesthesia which is given by nurses in remote areas has reduced mortality. And our counties, the 47 counties where our members are representing, has helped them to open new facilities.
We are still below the WHO requirements, but for now, we still need. We are pushing for the counties to. We are pushing some of our members to go still in the training so that we can at least raise that number to a ratio that is really acceptable. At least with the devolution, the counties they are really trying.